popping, guys? I remember a while back, when I had very few subscribers, I did a shout out video to these guys called CJ Studios, and I had very few subscribers, so I'm gonna make another video. The video is going to be about, I'm gonna go to them, Caleb and Jish, C and J. Get it? Maybe if it. My phone being slow. Yeah, we're gonna be reacting to some other videos. Ha 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 ha! I'm bored. I'm bored. I make videos when I'm bored usually. I have notifications to check them first. Japanese board. Get that out of here. Subscriptions. I subscribe to them, which you guys should too. They have a channel called C&J Gaming. I don't know if they have any videos on it. Let's go check that out, guys. Home of Dubai is live, guys. Bet you didn't know that. C&J, so it would be in the C section. C section. Oh my god. There are C&J Studios. Here they are, guys. Look your boy's on there. Your boy. I wonder if it has them in channels. Because if it does, I'm gonna be like, Couch Gamer. I haven't subscribed to them actually. So let's go to C&J Gaming. Probably see, no videos. Well, that's okay, guys. Let's go to Couch Gamer. Cancel. Doesn't have any content. Alright. So we're gonna go to their main channel, which I believe is that's that was Chase. Like we actually want to watch his videos. Let's go ahead and watch not the Curse of Taco Bell. Let's watch Connect Joy-Cons. We're gonna watch the whole video
soon. Yeah. Cool. So right now, step 1 of setting up your Joy-Cons is, if you have them in a grip, you want to take them out of the grip. First step. And you want to see this? Yeah. See this little button right here? So you want to press and hold down that button until this starts blinking green, like this. I'm going to do the same thing for your Joy-Con, right? So now once these are both done, they'll start beginning into pairing mode, is what it's called. Once they're in pairing mode, you want to click on Bluetooth, open Bluetooth preferences. You probably can't see it, me clicking on it. I'm going to put it right here.
Okay, I really
You want to click on Joy-Con R.
We're going to watch Paper Play button.
Hey guys, this is C&J Studios here. Alright. Let's listen. I need my phone. So this is Ivan. What, Josh? You don't remember?
I'm gonna make a name like that. How I should pronounce my name?
Screaming! Dying! Someone help! Can you tap my shoe? Yeah, sure. I see. Oh, that hurts. Agony.
Who are you?
Evan.
Oh, hey, Evan.
Here's my card. Call me.
What? Here's my
chicken
card.
nugget. You know what this is? We got 10 subscribers. Now we get this the paper plate button.
Dude, no way.
The nugget dance. I'm really crying.
Here's your paper plate button.
Who gets it, though?
Obviously me on the scene. I want it. No, but if you
Okay, I should get it, guys. I'm gonna lie. I should get it. That's what I'm gonna name it. I'm gonna call it I should get the paper play button. And here's why, guys. Go to my channel. Ha. Ha. 66. I need one more 6, guys. I got 66 subscribers. They got 10. I should obviously get it.
I am the end. But it begins in C. And that's the beginning.
This calls for a competition. You look scared.
I don't care.
Welcome to the dance competition. See who wins whatever this is. Cool, you go first.
Dabbing on the haters. I'm so proud. He's dabbing on the haters.
You go. You go. You get 3. Jay, man, he goes first. I mean, whatever. Do it.
You're about to be in for the best.
Obviously, guys.
You got 7. You go.
My hair is growing. Yeah.
Okay, guys. Obviously.
You ready for a top knock? So
Obviously. That's not
Okay.
a.
Boy,
Oh.
I'm the winner. I got the most.
I got
winner
the biggest
goes-
fingers.
Kaloob.
What?
Wait, what?
What? Me?
Yeah, you won.
Oh, thank you.
What is this?
I just have to give a speech. Thank
One.
all my
gonna go
dance
watch YouTube.
mentors and my hip hop teacher. And wait, what are you?
I will cut you open.
You cheated.
Which
I'm
one?
gonna go to jail for that now.
Dance competition.
Dissection, boy.
Competition.
Chicken.
You know who deserves
Be-
the big play button? All of CNJ.
Because he
Aww, that's
dabbed
Shish.
Gotta kill
on those haters. Hold on.
Did you swallow it?
You look scared.
Obviously, Kaloob won the dance competition because he dabbed on those haters. Big shout out, guys, to CNJ Studios. Dab on the haters. Hold on, I just want to show you this real quick, and this is what I meant by the old video I did to shout them out. This kid be amazing. That's me, guys. Hold on, just in case you guys don't believe me. Crap. I don't think it'll let me. Nope, won't let me. Alright.
Check out CNJ Studios. They make some pretty funny videos.
You guys seeing this?
Jish, I actually know him. Yeah.
See?
I
like this part, it's kinda funny. What about me?
Me? What about me?
Yeah, big shout out to Kaloob and Jish.
If I ever like saying in my favorite videos, it's the Curse of Taco Bell.
Yup.
But yeah, go ahead and go check it out. CNJ Studios. I'm pretty sure that
This
you
is the
guys
really
would
part
like them.
that I like.
And they're gonna tell me if they get any new subscribers. I want you guys to comment on the videos saying that you subscribed for me, and they'll tell me. And if you do, I will
Yeah, and I'm still waiting for them to tell me, because I know at least one person subscribed to them from me. I could just say so awesome. Alright, guys. Dab on those haters. Go check them out, and I'll see you guys later.